Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online English class for the students of degree third year presented by Mohammad Lichumia. Today we will discuss very important topic. This is synonym and antonym. And today now I will start from some antonym. Dear student, antonym মানে বিপরীত শব্দ। এটা given word থাকবে। এই শব্দটির বিপরীত শব্দ লিখতে হবে এবং একটা sentence লিখতে হবে। Okay? Now let's start. The very first word despair. Despair মানে despair, that is despair antonym হচ্ছে hope, and you can write the sentence we should always hope for the best. And the second, knowledge, antonym ignorance. Sentence, ignorance is similar to darkness. Then false মানে মিথ্যা, antonym হচ্ছে true, and the sentence he is true to his word. Then coward or timid, antonym brave, sentence fortune favors the brave. Innocent, antonym guilty, and the sentence he is not guilty. Reveal মানে প্রকাশ করা, antonym conceal মানে গোপন করা, sentence don't conceal the truth. Busy মানে ব্যস্ত থাকা, antonym free, and the sentence I do not have much free time. Then bless, given word bless, and antonym is curse, sentence the old man cursed the boy. Then wrong, antonym is right, and the sentence your answer is right. Shallow, antonym deep, sentence the man has deep knowledge in human nature. Cheap, antonym costly, sentence this book is very costly. Cancel, antonym confirm, sentence your job is confirmed. Light, antonym dark, this place is very dark. Majority, antonym minority, then only a small minority of the student could answer the question. Then success, antonym failure, sentence failure is the pillar of success. ব্যর্থতাই সফলতার চাবিকাঠি. Spacious, spacious মানে প্রশস্ত, antonym হচ্ছে narrow, সংকীর্ণ, sentence the road is very narrow, রাস্তাটা খুব চিকন. Diminish মানে বিলুপ্ত হওয়া, antonym হচ্ছে increase, বৃদ্ধি পাওয়া, population is increasing day by day, জনসংখ্যা দিন দিন বাড়ছে. Gigantic মানে দৈত্যাকার বা বৃহদাকার, antonym হচ্ছে small মানে ছোট্ট, sentence great boast small roast, যত গর্জে তত বর্ষে না. Distress, antonym comfort, sentence everybody wants comfort. Obey মান্য করা, antonym disobey or ignore, he disobeyed his teachers. Urban, antonym rural, sentence rural life appeals to me very much. Then optimist, optimist মানে আশাবাদী, antonym হচ্ছে pessimist মানে নৈরাশ্যবাদী, she is a pessimist. Danger, antonym safety, he wants safety, সে নিরাপত্তা চায়. Busy, antonym idle, he is not idle. Polite মানে ভদ্র, rude মানে রূঢ়, your behavior is very rude. Slow, antonym fast, sentence he can run fast. Sharp, antonym blunt, sentence this knife is blunt, blunt মানে ভোঁতা. Then near, far, the house is not far. Then temporary, antonym permanent, synonym nothing is permanent. Sterile or barren মানে অনুর্বর আর ফার্টাইল মানে উর্বর। দিস ল্যান্ড ইজ ভেরি ফার্টাইল। ভায়োলেন্স সন্ত্রাস বা সংঘর্ষ। ট্রানকুইলিটি, আই এনজয়েড দ্য ট্রানকুইলিটি অফ নেচার। সিগনিফিক্যান্ট গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। ইনসিগনিফিক্যান্ট, হিজ ইনফ্লুয়েন্স ইজ ইনসিগনিফিক্যান্ট অর ট্রিভিয়াল। আর্জেন্ট, ট্রিভিয়াল, we should not spar over trivial matters. Primitive, antonym modern, modern technology has made our life comfortable. Everlasting, antonym temporary, synonym হচ্ছে everything is temporary in the world. Then ambiguous, antonym clear, sentence her voice is very clear. Solvent, insolvent, সচ্ছল অসচ্ছল, he is insolvent. Appear, disappear, the fog will disappear. Partial, full, I was full of surprise. Compulsory, optional, biology is his optional subject. Fit, unfit, he is unfit for the job. Brief, elaborate, don't elaborate your answer. Dear student, now logical, illogical, don't give illogical argument. Attain, loss, I have lost my pen. Famous, বিখ্যাত, notorious, কুখ্যাত, he is notorious for his rude behavior. নাদির, জেনিত মানে সর্বনিম্নে, আর জেনিত মানে সর্বোচ্চে, she reached the zenith of glory. Abrogate, that is enact, a new law has been enacted. Omnious, that is auspicious, it was an auspicious beginning. Reckless, that is careful or be careful. Okay, dear student, let's finish our classes on antonym, and I request you practice again and again, and I hope that you will be able to do a better result in your exam. Okay, no more today. Thank you.